Hello viewers, welcome to the Tutorial Guider YouTube channel. In this video we will learn about the diabetes, a condition that affects millions of people worldwide till date. Actually, what is diabetes? The diabetes is a condition where the amount of glucose in your blood is too high. Glucose comes from the food you eat and it is the main source of fuel for the body. For people with diabetes, the body cannot use glucose properly, which leads to high glucose in the blood. This is because the pancreas does not produce any insulin or not enough to help glucose enter your body's cells. In other words, the insulin that is produced is not working properly, also known as insulin resistance. The diabetes are divided into 5 types. Type 1 diabetes, an autoimmune disease where the body attacks insulin-producing cells, requiring insulin injections. Type 2 diabetes, the body becomes resistant to insulin, leading to high blood sugar levels. Gestational diabetes develops during pregnancy, usually in the 2nd or 3rd trimester. LADA, latent autoimmune diabetes in adults, a form of type 1 diabetes that develops in adults. MODY, maturity onset diabetes of the young, a rare genetic form of diabetes. The causes of diabetes: genetics, obesity, physical inactivity, unhealthy diet, age, 45 plus, family history, ethnicity, certain groups. The symptoms of diabetes: increased thirst and urination, fatigue, blurred vision, slow healing wounds, tingling or numbness in hands, feet, recurring skin infections. The complications of diabetes: heart disease, kidney damage, blindness, nerve damage, foot damage, stroke. The management and treatment of diabetes: medications, oral injectable, insulin therapy, healthy diet, regular exercise, weight management, stress reduction, monitoring blood sugar levels, regular health checkups. The prevention of diabetes: maintain a healthy weight, engage in regular physical activity, eat a balanced diet, avoid sugary drinks, get regular checkups. Remember, early detection and treatment can make a significant difference. If you experience any of these symptoms, consult a healthcare professional. I hope this video may be useful to you. See you everyone in next video. Take care.